Have you ever wondered about the history of South African Airways? Well, today, we'll take a trip back in time to explore the incredible journey of this iconic airline from its humble beginnings in 1934 to 1987. It all started when a group of visionary individuals came together to establish a small airline called Union Airways. They set out on a mission to connect the far-flung corners of South Africa, which at the time was known as the Union of South Africa. With a fleet of just 4 aircraft, they began offering scheduled passenger flights between Johannesburg and Durban. It was the dawn of a new era in air travel. The airline's popularity soared, and soon it became the largest in Africa, serving numerous domestic destinations as well as expanding its reach to neighboring countries. But this rapid success did not come without challenges. The airline faced financial difficulties and dwindling passenger numbers. Despite these setbacks, Union Airways persevered, and in 1938, an opportunity arose that would change the airline's fate forever. The South African government, recognizing the strategic importance of a national airline, decided to take over Union Airways. It was a pivotal moment that marked the beginning of a new chapter for the airline industry in South Africa. On April 1, 1934, the government officially assumed control, and the airline was renamed South African Airways. With the support of the government, SAA was able to navigate through the turbulent years of World War II when commercial aviation operations were limited. However, in the aftermath of the war, there was a surge in travel demand, and SAA was well positioned to capitalize on this trend. The airline wasted no time in rebuilding and expanding its operations. By the end of 1946, SAA had already introduced 8 new routes to its network, connecting South Africa to destinations such as Mauritius, Mozambique, and the United Kingdom. The airline's fleet underwent a significant transformation as well. In 1947, SAA acquired its first DC-3 South and C-47s, which were instrumental in opening new routes throughout Africa. These acquisitions allowed the airline to cater to the growing number of passengers and transport them in comfort and style. As the years went by, SAA continued to modernize its fleet, setting the stage for its entry into the jet age during the 1950s and 1960s. The airline took delivery of jet-powered aircraft such as the Boeing 707. These sleek, powerful machines were the epitome of innovation and speed, allowing SAA to reduce travel time between continents by several hours. With the introduction of jet aircraft, SAA's long-haul international services were given a major boost. The airline now had the capability to fly non-stop from South Africa to Europe and the Americas, opening up new possibilities for travel and trade. Passengers could experience the thrill of jet-powered travel and enjoy the comfort and amenities that these modern aircraft provided. However, the airline's growth and success were not without controversy. During the apartheid era, South Africa faced international sanctions, and many countries banned their airlines from entering South African airspace. This meant that SAA could not fly directly to certain destinations, but the airline was not deterred. It found alternative routes and made detours to connect with passengers traveling to banned destinations. Despite these challenges, SAA continued to innovate and push boundaries. It became known for its luxury service and unique long-haul routes, such as those connecting South Africa to the United Kingdom via the island of St. Helena in the Atlantic Ocean. In 1967, SAA introduced the first scheduled passenger service to this remote island, providing travelers with a glimpse of a rarely visited destination. Over the years, SAA has also pioneered several in-flight services designed to enhance the travel experience. In 1969, it became the first airline in the world to offer a fully licensed bar on board its aircraft. And in 1973, SAA introduced the first computer-assisted reservation system in Africa, allowing for more efficient booking and greater convenience for travelers. Despite the political isolation of South Africa during this era, SAA managed to maintain a remarkable record of safety and efficiency. The airline's commitment to excellence and its ability to overcome obstacles made it a beacon of pride for South Africans around the world. In 1987, SAA reached a significant milestone, continuing its operations for 50 years. It had come a long way from its humble beginnings with a fleet of just 4 planes. But despite this success, the airline continued to face pressure due to global boycotts aimed at ending apartheid. The airline's ability to navigate through these challenges and maintain connectivity to South Africa during times of global boycott was nothing short of remarkable. Join us next time as we continue to explore the rich history of South African Airways, uncovering more fascinating stories and milestones that have shaped this iconic airline. Don't forget to stay tuned for more updates. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.